Hello guys, welcome to another video. so guys, today I'm gonna talking about a dry portable mini refrigerator, and hopefully will enjoy this video. So thank you. Continue with us. Step 1, parts and tool required, and parts. Thermoelectric color model. Number 2, 4 mm arcitic sheet sheets. Number 3, Arduino Nano. Number 4, relay module. Number 5, LED. Number 6, LED holder. Number 7, 1K resistor. Number 8, rocket switch. Number 9, DC jack. Number 10, perforated board. Number 11, hinge. Number 12, door handle. Number 13, rubber feet. Number 14, foam rods. Number 15, super glue. Number 16, glue sticks. Tools, jigsaw. Number 2, Dremel workstation. Number 3, Dremel rotator. Number 4, soldering iron. Number 5, glue gun. Step 2, how it's works. The heart of the refrigerator is a thermoelectric cooler module. Thermoelectric coolers operate by the Peltier effect. The device has two hot and cold sides, and when a DC electric current flows through the module, it brings heat from one side of the side to the others, so that one side gets cooler while the other gets hotter. The hot side is attached to a heat sink, so that it remains at ambient temperature, while the cool side goes below room temperature. A thermoelectric module consists of an array of P and N type semiconductor elements that are heavily doped with electrical carriers. The elements are arranged into array that is electrically connected in series, but thermally connected in parallel. This array is often then attached to ceramic substance on of each side of the element. To make this refrigerator, you have two options. Number 1, buying the pelleter module, heat sink and fans separately. Number 2, buying the entire unit, which have everything. After some inquiry, I have selected down to the second option, but if you have some old SPS, MPS fans and CPU heat sink, then you can choose the first options. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you.